Imagine if your money could work for you while you sleep, eat, or chase your dreams. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's value investing. And today, we'll be breaking down the playbook used by Warren Buffett himself, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the 20 most powerful lessons that could change how you think about wealth, risk, and opportunity forever. So grab your notebook. This isn't just a summary. It's an investment in your future. And hey, if you love actionable insights and real talk about money, success, and growth, hit that subscribe button and stay till the end, because the last lesson might just be the one that saves your financial life. Lesson 1. Be an investor, not a speculator. Graham warns us. The market is not a casino. Most people aren't investing, they're gambling. An investor looks for intrinsic value. A speculator just chases trends. Example, buying Dogecoin because it's trending. That's speculation. Buying a company because it's undervalued. That's investing. Lesson 2. Mr. Market is moody. Don't trust him. Picture the market as a crazy neighbor, Mr. Market, who offers to buy or sell stocks at irrational prices. Graham says, don't follow him, take advantage of him. Lesson 3. Margin of safety. Think of this like driving with extra brakes. Never invest unless you have a cushion in case things go wrong. Lesson 4. Know your investor type. Defensive versus enterprising. Defensive investors equals passive, long-term, low maintenance. Enterprising equals active, constantly analyzing and researching. Know who you are and invest accordingly. Lesson 5. Avoid the hype. Trends come and go. Graham teaches us to invest based on value, not noise. If everyone's doing it, it's probably already too late. Lesson 6. Price does not equal value. Just because a stock is cheap doesn't mean it's a bargain. Just because it's expensive doesn't mean it's quality. Lesson 7. Emotions are the enemy. Panic, fear, and greed. The unholy trinity of bad decisions. Graham says, master your temperament and you'll master the market. Lesson 8. Diversify smartly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but don't spread them across 100 either. Quality over quantity. Lesson 9. Dividends matter. A good stock pays you to hold it. Look for companies that return profits to shareholders consistently. Lesson 10. Know what you own. Don't buy into something just because it's popular. Study the business. Would you still buy the stock if the market closed for 5 years? Lesson 11. Keep it boring. Good investing is like watching paint dry. If you want excitement, go to Vegas. Boring is profitable. Lesson 12. Be patient. Time is your best friend in investing. Graham emphasizes, compound interest is a superpower, but only if you wait. Lesson 13. Beware of forecasts. No one can predict the market. Not analysts, not influencers, not AI. The function of forecasting is to make astrology look respectable. J.K. Galbraith. Lesson 14. Value versus growth investing. Growth stocks grow quickly. Value stocks are undervalued. Graham says, value wins in the long term if you do your homework. Lesson 15. Rebalancing regularly. Check your portfolio and adjust to maintain your risk comfort zone. Lesson 16. Watch out for fees. Every percent in fees is a percent you lose in returns. Choose low-cost index funds or eat. Lesson 17. Don't try to beat the market. Even the best investors don't beat the market every year. Instead, aim for consistent risk-adjusted returns. Lesson 18. Read annual reports. Boring. Yes, but this is where the real truth lies. Profits, debt, growth. Lesson 19. Stay the course when markets crash. Most people panic. Graham says, this is the time to buy. Stay calm. Stay invested. Lesson 20. Financial freedom is built slowly. Not overnight. Not in a bull run. Slowly, intentionally, and with discipline. In the short run, the market is a voting machine. In the long run, it's a weighing machine. So, are you the kind of person who lets the market play with your money, or the kind who learns the rules and wins the game slowly, surely, and smartly? If you've made it this far, you're serious about growth. Don't stop here. Tap that like button, subscribe, and comment below. I invest with intelligence. This video was just a summary, but the real value, it starts when you apply these lessons. Until next time, stay mindful, stay intentional, and invest in yourself.